And bringing you another story, a private university in Punjab, in Phagwara, that has been sent a show-cause notice for violation of lockdown order. This comes after a positive case that was reported on the campus. The Punjab government has sought the university's explanation over the breach of lockdown orders.
Professor, what is the issue? A notice has been served to the LPU for hiding the student inside the campus despite the lockdown and not revealing the exact figures. Tell some information regarding that.
The notice sent by secretary to the university is not in my notice. But now I have come to know that notice has been sent to that university. I myself inquired from my own side from the university. They gave me the explanation that there are 24,000 students in their campus. Almost 22,000 have been gone to their houses. Only 2,000 students are left of other states. And meantime, lockdown was done. No movement, no train, no buses. So they are taking care. The students are stuck up here. So they are fully worried. But after file comes to me, then we'll take the full notice of the thing.
But Bajwa sir, don't you think that this is the violation of lockdown norms, that such high number of students inside a campus, how can they maintain the social distancing and even not revealing to the district administration or government?
I don't know whether it was a result to the local government or not. But let the file come and let their reply come, then we'll take care.
When the notice was issued to the LPU, your secretary did not take you in the loop for this notice?
No, not me. He sent his notice on its own. So now it has gone. After that, if files come to me, then we'll take whole situation, think about it, take care of their reply, then we'll decide what to do and what not to do.
But if your higher education secretary did not inform you before sending the notice, so how will the state government function smoothly in the state to maintain the lockdown norms? Is it possible then?
No, it's maybe gap of communication because of lockdown. So don't worry, everything is normal.
And what kind of action will be taken? As the notice is clearly said, there are 3,200 students along with the staff is inside the campus. So what kind of the action will be taken against them by the government?
But let's wait the reply. Then we will decide and think it over. So there is no hurry. Students are safe and sound. And this is the responsibility of the university people. So we are watching the situation.